Hey, good morning, Ben here with Studio on the Lake. Hey, you can see the lake is starting to thaw. Unfortunately, the day after I filmed this, we ended up with 12 inches of snow on the 13th of April. So go imagine. I said spring is here and it's going to be a few more days. This will all be gone by Friday. The loons are back calling in the lake, so that's good. Hey, this is a little short video. People have been asking about my micro carver, my power carving setup. That's it there on the right. There are actually two of them there. The one on the top is an older one. It's about 22 years old, and the bottom one is the newer. It's about 20 years old. And actually, I think I said that backwards. The bottom one is the older and the new one. So it comes in a package like this. You get a micro carver, a stand, the motor, the controller, and then I buy a dual. This one has the burner on the left side and the micro motor on the right side. The left side on the knob there controls the strength of the burner. It's a nice little burner pin, as good as any I've used. There's the plug-in. It's a stereo mono jack that plugs in. Right side, 1 to 10 for the microcontroller. It goes. The newer ones go to 40,000. There's a cord plug-in on the bottom there. In the center is the master switch. Left is burn, off in the center, grind on the right, and then you've got reverse and forward on that micro motor, which comes in handy. Here's a single, actually this is a dual burner, has two burners, but it comes split out from the micro carver. And there's the micro carver split out from the burner. So you can buy any combination of these, and once again, that's PGL Enterprises. They're over there in Minnesota. Easy to work with. That's the one that I would recommend, actually. I'm not going to tell you what, I think this is around 400 bucks, give or take. It comes with a pin, one pin or two pins, I don't remember, but the top pin is a heavy duty pin for hot burning, bigger, and the bottom is the original one. And they stay pretty hot, and they will replace these tips for you. You can't do it, but you can send them in, and I think for 4 or 5 bucks they'll replace it. The burner, pin itself is about 20 bucks. You can check out their website. I just took a quick snapshot of this here. I use mostly the micro skew there and the number 12s. Here's the two different controllers. You can get them from them. They got a 30,000 RPM, which is on the bottom there, and a 40, which is on the top. The 40 is the newer. That one's about 2 years old. That bottom one there is my older one. It's 22 years old. It has a hand collet. Collets come in 3/32, but you don't need a tool to change those. 3/32, 1/8, and 1/16. You can also get a reducer collet that pops in there, so you don't have to change them. I use the two of them. So this one I sent back after 20 years of use. They put new bearings in it. What are you going to run in this thing? Well, I like the saber tooth and the smaller one. With the two burners, I've got two different sizes. Those are cuts-all bits. You can see they get used quite a bit. This is a diamond selection. These are run-of-the-mill 1/8 inch Dremel tool. If you hear me talk about stoning, these are the stones that I use for the bird carvings. And here's a cheap set. You can get these for 10-15 bucks for all these. They're diamond. They do work pretty good. That's a cheap set too. They come from Taiwan or China. And cut off wheels. This one just happens to be a diamond one. You can use the others. This is my favorite. This is a ruby ball. I use this a lot. That's also a ruby bit, and I'm just running these real quick. The main thing is to show you that combo burner that I use there. These are micro diamonds, which work really nice for small carvings. A lot of people like to use these for cutting in the bird. I tend to use a stone for that. This is pretty aggressive, and these I haven't tried. They're a new deal from Cuts-All, and they seem to work pretty good. I'd stay away from these. They're a little rough. They have a lot of vibration. They will remove some stuff. These are my favorite. These will set you back about 30 bucks a piece. I forget what this is. but this is a cuts all, the green, and then the yellow. Yellow is less aggressive than the green. Again, that's a cuts all, one of my favorite ones. You can pick and grin. There's where my station is. I've got the older and the newer setup. The pens are hanging there. That's the burner. Comes from Ultima. Go over in the link down below and check out their website. So thanks for watching. Those of you who've been asking what I use for power carving, that's it. Hey, have a good day. Just like, subscribe as always.